Hey everyone, welcome. In this one I'm showing you how to delete a page on Wix. So there are two main ways of doing this. You can firstly, of course, open up the site editor, and let's say I want to delete this top picks entire page. So I can just, of course, select it like this, and then just go more actions and delete. This is the first way. And the second way is actually from the menu. You go to Pages and Menu, and as you can see, we have the store pages or the site menu pages, depending on what you want to delete. For example, we have a product page. You can go settings. It's actually not here. You go to the site menu and, for example, shop. Click on three dots and delete. So you will be able to delete the entire page. Also, I have the services. Delete. Can I delete the home page? I suppose not. No, you can't actually, because this is the very first page they look at, so you can't delete it. But in general, other pages can be removed this way. Enjoy, guys. I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon, guys.